All right, 7th graders. I'm with the essay builder right now, and I'm on the first part of the essay builder, which involves buckets, and the 3 buckets that you need to fill with your reasons. Really important that we have good reasons, and that we make sure that we fill the buckets with the documents needed for the reasons. All right. So what I've done is I've entered in reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. All right. I don't have specific reasons simply because this video can be used for any of your DBQs. It's all done the same way. All right. This particular DBQ is for Valley Forge. Now, as I click on document A, it's going to take me back to the document to remind us about what it was about. All right, and this is the case in any DBQ. I can click on document B. Again, it takes me to that document. So let's say reason 1 is supported with evidence from document A. I'm going to click on the A and drag it over and place it into my bucket. Let's say my reason 2, I'm going to be using information from document B, and let's say reason 3, document C. Now again, we can have multiple documents in buckets to support our reasons. Right? After I feel confident that I have the documents that I'm going to use for each reason in my paper, I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, what I have typed in reason 1, 2, and 3 enters into my chicken foot here, reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. Now again, you're not going to be actually typing in reason 1, 2, and 3. This is going to be your reason. For example, our Valley Forge DBQ, one of our reasons if we were going to leave was awful conditions. Okay? Now, I used, again, Valley Forge as an example. This is our restated question as to what we would do and what our argument is. All right? So, if I was a soldier at Valley Forge, I would stay, leave, all right, and whichever is your choice, stay or leave, because this reason, and this reason. Now, taking this is really important. This right here is your thesis for your paper. This is your thesis for your paper. That's going to be really important. All right? When I go to my outline, my thesis, my roadmap is that chicken foot. So when I take my buckets and I write this into a sentence, I go to my outline. And in my introductory paragraph, my thesis, the last sentence in my first paragraph, is going to tell the reader the direction of my story using this thesis. All right? Great way to help yourself keep organized. Now, I skipped over unpacking the buckets. This is a feature where it's going to allow you to remind you, reason 1, okay, I took document A. Now you're going to go in and you're going to pull those facts out and you're going to place them here as the highlighted things from the document that you might use in your paper. Okay? Now, doing that is really going to start setting you up for success in this paper. And those are the first steps that need to happen after you have developed your reasons and your main thesis.